Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and this is a yarn of the week. But there are two yarns this week. There's two yarns because I can't remember if I did one of them already. I know I brought it here ready to do it, but I can't remember if I actually did do it or not. So we've got two. Wow, two for the price of one. So basically, if you head on over to Hobby Rocks, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk, and there's a link just under the video and a voucher code for those items not in a sale. But these yarns, hang on, a little bit untidy over there. These yarns are discounted because they're my yarn of the week. Now the previous ones that I've shown that were yarn of the week are still discounted, so they're all kind of at the moment on special because I haven't took them off. But these ones are great for winter and some for Christmas. So let me show you one of them. Now this is the one I'm not sure if I've done before. Before we do, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So I've noticed that my necklace is making my neckline look really dowdy. So I need to I need to sort of jazz this up, don't I really? It's making it look yellow. Anywho, that's just beside the point. This is the one I'm not sure if I've done. I know I brought it here, but with what's been going on recently in our lives, I'm kind of a bit like memory challenged. So this one could already be, and it is the Yarn Art Nordic. And the Yarn Art Nordic comes in, I've got a few different colours. It's not that readily available over here, you know. It's not that many places that stock it. And this one is 657. That's all they put on there. No colour name. I'm not going to be getting on with this necklace. 20% wool and 80% acrylic. 150 gram ball. And it's 510 metres. Now, what I really like about this one are the colours. It's got some really nice colours. Now, King Cole have brought out one, which is kind of Nordic, I have to say. Very similar, but obviously more expensive than this one. So it is ever so soft. I can't feel that wool. It's there, I guess, for warmth, but you can't feel it to touch. But this one I really like with these colours. It's this one as well. This is kind of a nice one as well. It's got a very olivey, well, subtle olive green about it. And this one is number 661. But I really like these yarns, and a real big, nice, substantial ball that you get as well. This one, again, I'm sure I have done these, but, you know, I can't remember, to be honest with you. Is kind of a dusky purple and a pinky. It's my favourite one of these, until I pick up the next one, obviously, guys, because, you know, that's always the way, isn't it? Whatever one's in your hand. 665, this one. Beautiful. Beautiful. I need to make something with it, see what it's like. And then again, there's this one. This one's another one of my favourites because it's got blues, and it's beautiful blues. Like I said, I've seen something very similar with King Cole, and I'm not sure if theirs is a 100 gram ball, but I know it's not as reasonable. Anyway, this is 652, and that's the Nordic. I thought there was more than that. Maybe I didn't bring it all in. But this one is Acorn Aran, and this is a King Cole. King Cole Acorn Aran, and it has the most gorgeous colours. I really love this yarn. As soon as I saw it, it's that kind of marble effect that I really love, and the colours in it are just really nice. They kind of morph into one another nicely, like ombre, I guess you could say, but I like morphing. This is called Juniper, 4954 Juniper, and I love this one. It's really good. It's one of my favourites. Really pretty. 100 gram skein is 80% premium acrylic and 20% wool, and it's 216 yards, 198 metres. Hard to read when they put white on a beige background. Do wish they wouldn't do stuff like that. So then this one's really nice as well. Look at all those lovely colours in this. It's got yellows and greens and all different greens on a kind of really pale colour. I'm not sure if it's white or green. I think it's like a really pale green. And what's the name of this? Nettle. 4950 Nettle. Obviously all of the nitty gritty info is exactly the same, but that's really pretty as well on the Nettle one. And then I love this. For some reason, this one, although it is lacking in any colour as such, I really dig this one. It's beautiful. It's very subtle, and you get a lot of those blacks that go into greys that go into white, and they're really like stark contrasts, but this one's very subtle and beautiful. Really nice. I like this one a lot. I was thinking of making myself something like a poncho with it because it is just so pretty. And they do give you a little kind of rundown of how they knit up. They only ever show you rows of knitting. They never show how it looks crocheted, but it's just not too dissimilar. Anyway, that I didn't tell you the number of, I think, is 4951. It's called Rain Cloud. Isn't it gorge? I mean, it's one rain cloud I wouldn't mind. I thought, oh, they're all going to fall on the floor then. So then that brings me to my last one, which I've brought a few in to show you because it's also going to be my next giveaway. And this one is a Christmassy one. And the reason I brought it was because it looks very different. Unless there's two different ones here. Let me see. No, I think they're the same. It's just the way it's on the... oh, no. No, it is identical. It's just the way it's wound. So you'll see different aspects of the yarn if I show you a couple. So this is Holly Berries. And oh my God, look at that. Isn't it just stunning? So it's got all the Christmassy colours in, but obviously this one's on a different part of the wind and you can see more of the colours. So it must kind of radiate, graduate. And there, this is what it looks like made up. So you've got the darker bit coming through. But look at that, isn't it beautiful? This is Holly Berries. And my absolute favourite, I have to say. But of course, you know, that's Christmassy colours. The black and white and grey one, that's kind of all the time, isn't it? I love Rain Cloud. I'm going to knock these over now. I love Rain Cloud. I love Holly Berries. It's just scrumptious. Oh, look. A free hair with that one. I molt. I do. I molt everywhere. Has to be said. So let's tell you then. Did I tell you Holly Berries is 4955. So both of these, the Nordic and the Holly Berries, I'm not going to hold them all up because I struggle if I get more than 4 balls. So I'm not going to be able to show you all of those with those big 150 gram balls as well. But those both are my yarns of the week. I'm going to say yarn of the week. Sorry, I had a hiccup then. Might have hiccups. I hope not. These are my yarns of the week. This time around. Now, I'm going to try. If I put one of those Holly Berries down, that might work. Because there's 4 of these. There's 4 of those. There we go. I don't know if there's more than this on my shop pages. Because I only, as you know, until the yarn room outside is done, this is... all I can kind of do is grab bits and pieces when I go, and it is hard because you know, I can never find it, or it's never in one place. So I think I might have all of my varieties, I'm not sure, but on the pages you will see if there are any more that I've managed to miss off. So that is the Acorn Aran, and I'll try. This is the Nordic. I've got a feeling there might be more Nordic. I'm not sure. The only way to see is to go have a look, see. But that's the I'm going to put them down there because they're just too big to go anywhere else. Gigantic balls. So thank you for watching. And before I go, I just want to let you know that I know we've got a bereavement in the family and everything, but any orders placed are going to be sent out on time. So if you've placed one or you're waiting for one, it's either on its way already, or I'm going to be posting it off Monday because it's Sunday today, so I can't post. So there won't be any delay in you getting your orders. Now, a lot of people have asked me for gift vouchers, and the only way that we can do that is if I put on a product as a gift voucher. Somebody buys it and then I email a code, and I don't know how that would really go down. But the only other way is a company that you can send cards out for you, but of course you have to pay them, and you know, they're not cheap. You have to pay yearly as well. So yeah, I might look into that, but whether I can get it done this year or not. But you know, it'll be handy throughout the year anyway for people who want to buy stuff, like for somebody for their birthday and they can buy a voucher, which would be cool. But I just can't. It won't be like you know, when you get the free patterns, you can click it and it emails it to you. It won't be that quick. I will have to see it, generate the number, and then email it back. So you probably get an email back saying thank you for purchase. But the actual code will be sent once I can generate the code, because they're going to be specific. A code will be specific for a person. Anyway, that's my announcements. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my yarns of the week. And I absolutely love these two. And I'm going to need to make something with them because I've been dying to. I lost this one. I couldn't find it anywhere. I was going to do it earlier. I brought all the yarns of the week over, and I had one ball of this that I took out to make something with, and then I could not find the rest of it. And the reason I couldn't find it is because I brought it all here and I put it in the containers, and when I was looking for it, I just missed it somehow. I really don't know, but this is coming your way. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.